Okay, so what I've done is I've used my reading glasses, which I do have on, to do this. Because I'm making a thing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on this cord to make it a spool, make it a fishing kit. Yeah. It's a basic little kit, to be honest. This should work. I know, like, well, you're vegetarian, vegan, while you're doing this. This is just in case I'm in a survival situation, and yeah. I don't know any fishermen not, so yeah. Is this going to be standard not? And to prove these are my real glasses, my regular glasses. These have come in handy, to be honest. Come on. I can't do a bowling with this, I know that for a fact. As you see, on. See this? This is going to be a pain in the butt, isn't it? Yes, it is. This is going to be a pain in the butt. So it's not a pen for me to do this with? No. This, actually, let me give it more room. So we're halfway like that. I don't know how much, this is probably like a 3 femtosecond test anyway, for line. Okay. We got a little one line, okay. Then we're going to do a second one, at least. By the way, these are cheap. This is from a little cheapo thing. I'll show you in a minute when I get this done. Like that. Okay. I have plenty of space in here. Okay. This is honestly an emergency one. Okay, we have two or three should do it, but let's do this. This is how you do this. Bam. Then we have like that as the line thing. Then we get this. I think I can switch my regular glasses now since I have this ready. So I can. These are coming handy. Yeah, let me show you the kit they came in. Or the little needle came in. By the way, I was using this. That was flipping helping for nothing. But yeah. It came in this little white thing right here. Right here is where it was. Yeah, I took that off and just... I have another one. It was actually being housed right here. The other side, the other thing of the tiny solar cord. But I do recommend, yeah. I recommend you just make one of these things real quick. Where the heck did the, okay, here we go. I'm doing the bigger one because it's easier. But let me get my... Okay. By the way, these suck. So I'm going to have to use the scissors from the sewing knife. Yes, I know what you're saying. You already have a line cord. This is a emergency use. And it already has its own little thing in it. Do 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 do. No, I'm gonna do all of it. No, I'm gonna do all of it. Screw up. I'm gonna hit this to do all of this as line. When you fall, that's okay. We have what's it right here. I was more doing red lines because, like, it's the one I do. Yes, I do have actual things. I don't know if this is gonna work because I've never actually done this before. But bam. We put this with this stuff right here. We put it in the middle. This is gonna be housed in this. It's nice, the 5 cord one. And if I need be, I could use this. So yeah. Why are you okay? Let's see. So yeah, that's the finished product. Don't tell me this is inside this. Please tell me this is not inside of this. Is it? Let me see. Yeah, it probably is. Either way, I could just do the smaller one for this one. And I have a potential emergency. Oh, you know what? No, let me do this. Let me show you the front of it. It won't be thing. So yeah. A little, since it says we use this cord as a spool, I did. This is where the thing is. Yeah. Do 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 do. Actually, what? Okay, this is the finished product. Here we go. Think. I'm gonna put this in between here if I can get this open. That'd be great because I know you can actually open. This is so. This is like I have these instructions in another one, so it's okay with me. So yeah. Anyway, that is the all of it. I didn't need. I decided to use all of it, so I didn't do that. I'm missing something. Where'd we go? Where am I? No, am I? Anyway. Yeah. It's gonna be housed in here. Here we go, I think. Also, yes, I will be carrying this with me as an extra thing. So, yeah. If y'all wonder what I use, this cheapo Dollar Tree sewing kit. I don't wear red or have really things that are made of red. And if so, it's okay because over there and where to go? Oh wait, I can actually do. I have 2 of them. Well, that's weird. As you see, I have red right here. So if I had to, I could just take the red from here, put it in here. I usually carry this anyway, because yeah. Anyway, peace.